Biofiber is a bio-ecological urban design project which tries to rethink the relationship between the natural and urban and turn the hypothesis into a practical way by mobilizing other entities' metabolism. The planet is increasingly occupied by constructions of human artifacts that have been abandoned for many years. Considering the possibilities that new entities would occupy abandoned buildings, we try to rethink the relationship between the natural and urban in different perspectives. We choose Tallinn as our research site by exploring scenarios in which human beings and non-human species such as Bombyx mori share occupation, design, and construction. Silkworms have three main stages in a life cycle. They are silkworm, pupa, and moth. The observation begins with a single silkworm spinning inside a cube acrylic box. As a result, it wrapped itself into an oval cocoon around 34 hours. The process includes two steps: supporting structure, constructing, and cocooning. After this, we conduct another experiment that a group of silkworms cocoon together in a bigger box. Based on the observation, silkworm could cocoon by attaching silk on surface or other silk. In response to the environment we are given, silkworms prefer to cocoon in the corner space. In asking how the morphology could be if no corner space is provided, for instance, a plane, we conduct another observation experiment. A plane is provided to a silkworm. As a result, it spins flat silk without cocoon. We set up a path recording and explore the morphology by using robotic arm. Learning from the digital path, two morphologies exist: A-shape and Z-shape pattern. Silkworms spin A while searching a suitable space, spin Z after they decide. We extract bundling from silk as the main algorithm. In general, lines would be divided into particles. When the force given, particles within a certain distance would attract each other and come together. Morphology varies when the substrate given with different number of surfaces stick, also when the distance angle changes. We apply bundling logic into substrate design. Start points are given as an input. A thread structure comes into being after 5 iterations. According to the digital simulation, we manually made a physical structure in 7 days. After this, we put silkworms on it. They would either spin surface silk or cocoons corresponding to the environment. 10 days later, a whole life cycle is completed on the substrate. A material system is established. This is a plane of linear hole showing the distribution of bundling threads, bringing the substrate into urban protocol. Silkworms and human beings would share the same environment. With the number of silkworms increasing by generations, the substrate should also grow accordingly. Reaching the peak number, harvested silk would be used for the production of textiles. Collected cocoons can either be used as food or for breeding of new silkworms. In return, substrate would shrink back to fit the number of silkworms, which is a dynamic system. The thread substrate is mainly divided into production, sightseeing, experience, and breeding area according to the height, density, and the complexity of thread distribution. A variety of activities take place, such as collecting cocoons, photographing, sightseeing, and feeding silkworms. In this sense, we have successfully turned the hypothesis into a strategy that mobilizes silkworms' metabolic process in speculative design at a scale that crosses the architectural and urban ones.